This is the chapter where life opens up. Morning walks through the trees, coffee with friends, an afternoon pickleball match, or a class at the clubhouse. Webb Carolina Ridge is a community crafted for connection. Friendships form easily and community feels effortless, where life unfolds at a more peaceful pace, with everyday conveniences, dining, and healthcare close at hand. At Webb Carolina Ridge, every detail is inspired by how you live. Active when you want it, relaxed when you need it. And just down the path, family is never far away. Grandkids visit after school. Weekends are filled with laughter and life stays beautifully connected. A vibrant community surrounded by nature, with Charlotte always within reach. Webb Carolina Ridge. Your next chapter starts here.